Hello everybody, and how's it going? In this video we are going to be talking about how to add meaning to your data using quick analysis in Excel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So right now I have a very basic example in here. We have a column A and B with different values below. Now the quick analysis option was there entire time, but you may not be aware of it. So let me just show you how you can access it. Once you select your data using Shift and click anywhere else on your table, so you can see our data is now selected entirely. Once you do that, you can see on the bottom right side of our screen we have this little icon, and when we hover our mouse on top of it, it is saying quick analysis, which could be accessed using Control Q. Use the quick analysis tool to quickly and easily analyze your data with some Excel's most useful tools such as charts, color coding, and formulas. Pretty amazing, right? So let's just click it and dive into it and see what it has to offer. Here you can see we have various different tabs: formatting, charts, totals, tables, and sparklines. First, let's just discuss formatting. In here you can see we have data bars at the very first place, and when we hover our mouse on top of it, you can see some data bars just appeared, and now you can see some values are filled partially, some are filled mostly, and some are filled minimum. What is happening here? The smallest value is assigned the least number of fill, and the highest value is assigned the most number of fill. Let's just select again and head over to quick analysis again. Here you can also see we have color. When we do that, you can see it just added an effect on top of our previous effect. To prevent that, you need to select your data and clear your first formatting before you move to the second one. So now let's just add our colors again. You can see our colors are added, and this time what is happening in here is that the least number of data is being assigned the most brightest red color, and the largest value is assigned to the most brightest green. You can see which is on the second place, it is light green, and similarly we have shades of red as well according to the data value. You can also see we have icons set as well, having different meanings. You have these greater, top 10%, and clear option. Similarly, if you want to create a chart right out of your data, you can head over to your chart section, and in here you can see we have cluster, scatter, and many other options as well. So in here you can see our data is diagrammatically being displayed in our pie chart. You can use the totals, tables, and sparklines as well, but we're going to be discussing them in our future videos, so make sure to stay tuned. So that's pretty much it to how to add meaning to your data using quick analysis in Excel, and I really hope you learned something new and this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.